Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, we're going to look at what's new in 7.9 table fields within forms. This is a massive update to forms and something which I know partners have been crying out for years. So congratulations to the team at DocuWare for finally getting this into the product. To add tables into the forms, it's really simple. We have this new option now on the left-hand side for a table. If we click it, drag it across, it inserts the table automatically into our form. We then get to choose the type of columns and the order the columns go in. What's great as well is the team have been able to get the drop-down columns and the date fields in. I know in initial discussions, it was just expected to be number fields and text fields. So the fact they've got those additional field types in are really handy. So I'm going to create a staff expenses form here. So I'm going to call this a description, expense amount, expense date, and receipt, yes or no. Save that. Automatically, my table is added to the DocuWare form for me. From here, I am then able to edit and configure the individual columns using the pencil option on the right-hand side. So if I look into the options for the description field, which is a text field, I can choose to put a field mask in there, so I can force certain values. I can put predefined entries in there if I want to, and I can choose the minimum and maximum lengths. Go back. If we look at the expense amount field, which is a numeric field, I can choose whether or not I want to display the sum at the bottom. I can choose the fixed decimal places, so I'm going to choose 2. I get the ability to choose a predefined entry again, should I want to, and I get to choose the minimum and maximum value again. The date, I've got the predefined date option, so I can choose to put the custom date in or the current date, should I want to. And the final one is the ability to set fixed lists in the drop-downs in the table. So again, if I click into here, I've got the ability to use a pre-built select list if I have them already in the system, or I can choose the user provided select list where I can choose the 2 values that I want to add into there. And again, I can choose a default choice in there. I can choose row limits should I want to, so I can say always show 10 rows or maximum rows is there should I want to, and I can add instructions at the bottom of the table for the user. Great thing with the table fields and this new addition is the ability to then add the data that's added here to a table field within DocuWare. So under my submission, if I change the output and push it to my finance cabinet, go to indexing, you'll see here under the line items, I can choose where I want to map this to from my form. I then get the ability to choose the fields from my filing cabinet that I want to map to the form table. So I could say I want my description to go into description. I want my line total to be the expense amount. Apply, click save, and now when I submit this form into DocuWare, not only am I submitting the header form details, the same as we've been able to do in previous versions, I am also able to get that table field out of the form and into my tables in DocuWare for use further down the line. This is a massive update from DocuWare and something which will make the forms infinitely more usable, particularly in the finance department, where we're now able to capture expenses reliably, we're able to capture purchase orders reliably, and a whole host of other things. It's a massive update, and again, well done to the team at DocuWare. Thanks so much for watching. Any questions, please feel free to put them down. Please like, please subscribe, please do all of that good gubbins. Any questions, anything else, chuck them in the comments. It'd be great to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.